Yeah, so all of you have seen a lot of really cool, interesting technology this week, I hope. I certainly have. But today I want to talk a little bit about the opportunity for processors in AI and give you a little bit of a show me the money kind of speech. So today to start with, I'm going to give you what I mean by embedded vision leads the way for AI. Then we'll talk about the scope of AI, because I can't give you a show me the money speech without explaining to you what the scope of is that I'm talking about when I say show me the money. Then we'll look a little bit about the processor strategies. Why would you pick a particular processor strategy to solve your problem? And then we'll take a look at the individual markets and some of the applications that are driving AI, especially embedded vision, in those markets. And then we'll sum it up. So what is meant by embedded vision and that leads the way for processor AI? Well, in a nutshell, computer vision research emerged in the 1950s, and that particular problem has led to neural networking and many of the AI solutions that we are dealing with today. So embedded vision really did become the genesis of neural networking. And by 2015, Microsoft, Google, Baidu have all developed neural networking solutions that are capable of recognizing images on ResNet with greater accuracy than a human being, measured at about 95%. So what is meant here is that within the next 2 years, virtually every major processor vendor on the market will be offering some sort of competitive platform for AI. And by that, I mean it will have some sort of embedded vision accelerator or AI accelerator. It may not be every processor solution that they offer, but if they don't, it is likely that they'll miss the boat. I've spoken with many of the strategic marketing providers in the semiconductor supplier market, and the marketing departments are all saying if you don't have AI on the package, then it's unlikely you're going to be able to market it. So you can see where the strategies are going to be very strongly oriented towards artificial intelligence.